Always consult the current maintenance manual and/or technical service document prior to performing maintenance. Inspect surfaces that will come in contact with Av-DEC sealant material and take corrective action based on current maintenance manual requirements. Clean the area where sealant is to be applied with a solvent-dampened cloth followed by a clean dry cloth to remove any remaining paint, dust, grease, fingerprints, or any other contamination prior to installation. Mask off the area where sealant will be applied.